Welcome back, Crammers, to question 12. Maria is going to make some flapjacks. Here are 4 of the ingredients that she will use. What percentage of these 4 ingredients is oats? Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So, to find the percentage of oats, it's simply oats over total times 100. Let's find that out. So, oats is 330 grams all over the total. So, we add everything 175 plus 175 plus 175 plus 330. We multiply by 100. We can put this into calculator to find our answer. 330 over 175 plus 175 plus 175 plus 330, which is then multiplied by 100. We get 38.59. This is equal to 38.59%, but round to 3 significant figures. When rounding, we follow 1, 2, 3, 4. We round down, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up. Now, since the value after the third figure is 9, that means we have to round up. So our final answer is 38.6%. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.